the ultimate guide to remodeling your home in Corona del Mar. Welcome to Oceanfront Builders YouTube channel. In this ultimate guide, we're diving into everything you need to know about remodeling your home in Corona del Mar. From crafting coastal-inspired interiors to navigating city-specific regulations, this video will help you plan a successful remodel in one of Orange County's most prestigious communities. We're Oceanfront Builders, your trusted local experts in luxury home remodeling and construction. With years of experience transforming homes in Corona del Mar, we specialize in designs that blend timeless elegance with modern functionality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tips, and visit oceanfront.builders to learn more or start your project today. Corona del Mar, or CDM as locals call it, is a blend of seaside charm and upscale living. Homeowners here often remodel to enhance their lifestyle, embrace the natural beauty of the area, and increase their property's value in this high-demand real estate market. Many homes in Corona del Mar were built decades ago, and while they have charm, their layouts and features often don't align with modern living. Remodeling allows you to reconfigure your space to better fit your needs. Open concept layouts to create seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, adding luxury amenities like wine cellars, home theaters, and spa-like bathrooms, creating multi-purpose spaces, such as a home office that doubles as a guest room. One of the biggest advantages of living in Corona del Mar is the access to stunning ocean views. Many homeowners remodel to make these views the centerpiece of their homes. Install floor-to-ceiling windows or glass walls to bring in natural light and frame the scenery. Build rooftop terraces or balconies to create outdoor spaces that capitalize on ocean breezes. Reorient key rooms such as your master bedroom or kitchen to face the coastline. In Corona del Mar's luxury market, remodeling is a smart investment. High-end upgrades like chef's kitchens, spa-inspired bathrooms, and custom outdoor living areas can significantly boost your home's value. Even small updates like modernizing lighting or refreshing landscaping can have a big impact on your home's curb appeal and resale potential. Corona del Mar's prime coastal location and upscale neighborhoods come with unique planning and permitting requirements. Here's what you need to know before starting your remodel. If your property is located within the California coastal zone, you may need a coastal development permit, or CDP, in addition to your city permits. This process ensures that your remodel complies with regulations protecting the coastline. Submit detailed plans that include the scope of work, elevations, and environmental impact assessments. Work with professionals experienced in coastal regulations to streamline the approval process. Plan for longer timelines, as CDP reviews can take several months. Corona del Mar's zoning laws are designed to preserve the character of the neighborhood and ensure that new construction blends harmoniously with existing homes. Height restrictions may limit additions or second-story expansions, especially in areas close to the beach. Setback rules dictate how close you can build to property lines, impacting room additions and outdoor structures. Ensure your plans align with your specific zoning designation. Many neighborhoods in Corona del Mar, especially gated communities, are governed by homeowners associations, or HOAs, with specific rules about remodeling. These might include approved color palettes and materials for exteriors. There could also be restrictions on fencing, landscaping, and outdoor features like pools or fire pits. And, of course, there are approval processes that involve submitting your plans for board review. Now let's take a closer look at how to transform individual spaces in your home to maximize beauty, functionality, and value. Kitchens are the heart of the home, and in Corona del Mar they're often designed for both functionality and entertaining. Expansive islands with seating for casual dining or hosting guests. High-end appliances like Sub-Zero refrigerators and Wolf ranges for a chef-quality experience. Custom cabinetry with soft, close mechanisms and integrated lighting. Choose a color palette inspired by the beach. Think whites, soft blues, and natural wood tones. Opt for durable, water-resistant materials like quartz countertops and marine-grade wood cabinetry. Bathrooms in Corona del Mar are all about luxury and relaxation. Transform yours into a spa-like retreat with these ideas. Heated floors for added comfort, custom vanities with backlit mirrors and premium hardware. Freestanding tubs positioned to take advantage of natural light or scenic views. Use natural materials like travertine, marble, or teak for a timeless, upscale look. Living and dining areas should feel open, inviting, and seamlessly connected to the outdoors. Incorporate large sliding doors or bifold systems to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Use statement lighting like chandeliers or pendant fixtures to add elegance and define the space. Add built-ins for functional yet stylish storage. Your bedroom should be a haven of relaxation. In Corona del Mar, master suites often feature luxurious touches like private balconies and custom closets. Install floor-to-ceiling windows or sliding doors for maximum light and ventilation. Incorporate soft, neutral tones for a calming atmosphere. Upgrade closets with custom shelving and integrated lighting. Outdoor spaces are an essential part of life in Corona del Mar. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, your yard should be as functional as it is beautiful. Infinity pools and hot tubs with integrated lighting, outdoor kitchens complete with grills, refrigerators, and bar seating, fire pits surrounded by comfortable seating for year-round use. Use drought-tolerant plants like succulents. Use drought-tolerant plants like lavender. Use drought-tolerant plants like ornamental grasses to conserve water. Incorporate permeable pavers for patios and walkways to manage rainwater runoff. Whole home remodels and additions allow you to reimagine your space entirely, creating a cohesive design that reflects your style. Add a second story or rooftop terrace to maximize views and square footage. Reconfigure layouts to improve flow and functionality. Incorporate energy-efficient systems like solar panels, upgraded insulation, and smart home technology. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into remodeling in Corona del Mar. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in crafting homes that reflect your vision while embracing the beauty of this iconic coastal community. If you're ready to start your remodeling journey, give us a call at 888-336-8586. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this guide with anyone planning their next remodel. Let's create your dream home together.